Yes, I am. Almost 9 o'clock. In a seat. Morning again to my viewers on the voice of Bed Miller on my YouTube channel. Alright, yes, I started yesterday now. I started coverage yesterday, right at my home. Away from home. Falmouth from Bay Beach, brother. As usual, me alone and God don't save me. Me alone and my Father Jesus. Boy, Papa Jesus clean up the beach, brother. Yeah, man. The man can wash for all corruption. They call the sun white. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, look at the seashore that's white now. The sun just clean up. Yes, Aya. Yeah, man, the sun will come out. I'm tell you the sun of Marky G now. Yeah, man, Marky G will come out now, brother. But you hear me, brother? I'm from the beach right now. Enough coverage we do now. And the storm yesterday. You know, see it. When the storm at certain levels, because boy, the storm blow away. Never take myself. But what I say, look how the sun on the beach just. I first never see it so. Clean. Yeah, man. D. Mr. D White. I know you're so nice and jog pan, I know. You have some little leaves, you have some little branches blow off still, you know. But the sun on this beach are nice and now, nice now, D. I know if you can do a little jogging. Papa Jesus clean up the beach, man. Give the beach a nice wash. Mother Nature at its best, brother. Yes, Aya. I first never see the beach. Sun so white and pretty. Now I can do some jogging. Yes, Aya. Yeah, man, that's my home away from home, brother. Falmouth from Bay Beach. Yeah, man, the sun just clean up my youth. Yes, Aya. As what I say, I give thanks to who tuned in on the live yesterday, you know. In the storm there, I got about 50 odd person, you know. After I get back this, some juice on the 23 Ultron this morning and check out so much. About 50 odd person when tuning in the storm there. When I cover the storm. You have some people big me up and say, boy, you have good coverage, Mr. Bed. So I do my coverage and speak my mind, brother. Better speak my mind. I don't force my belief on nobody, you know. Everybody has their choice of life, you know. But I choose my part of your life, brother. And my part of life, you just do good. Because God don't come from no church, you know. God don't come to Christians, you know. I know religious set of people, you know. God come for good people. God come for the good out of each and every nation. Because I can tell Father Abraham. I can tell Father Abraham. I make you be a father of many nations. Not many Christians. Not many Muslims. And many, yeah, man. Many nations out of the good and out of every nation. The good black man, the good white man, the good China man, the good Muslim, the good Christians. That's that gotta come from. Yeah, man, the word is love. So I speak a lot yesterday during the storm. Because I love what I go on to Jamaica. And we all know that. I'm not into politics, you know. Because I remember before the local government election, you know. So I don't vote, you know, because I'm anti-vax, you know. But the reason we support the People's National Party. Because of one man, brother. Because of Michael Manley. That one people to know. Because of that man, Michael Joshua Manley. And more I know the Michael Manley is greater than the PNP. Michael Manley teaching and philosophy is greater than the People's National Party. And the ideology and the philosophy of Michael Manley, why me vote for the PNP same way. Yeah. Because I vote for the PNP, I don't vote none at all. I love that man, Michael Manley. Because he's a bastard pitney, you know. Yeah, he's a bastard pitney, you know. The first bastard pitney for George Miller. George Miller, the richest man, one of the richest black man in a seat, in a Chilani back in the days, in the 60s and the 70s. Me and George Miller first bastard pitney. And when Michael Manley said, no bastard no there again. Michael Manley make bastard pitney recognized in Jamaica. The teaching and the philosophy of Michael Manley, brother, the greatest Prime Minister Jamaica have ever seen. He walk with the people, he walk with the poor people. He loving country, he love the land. Because back in the 70s, the backside company, the sugar industry, everything up and running. We have our own here Jamaica, we have everything back in the 70s. And we made the Prime Minister, and we made the Prime Minister know what talk about the country mash up in the 70s. Boy, I tell you, you know, see it. But I don't know. I want to wish Andrew Holness. I wish Andrew Holness born. Andrew Holness not living in the 70s. He not living in the 70s, brother. You grew up coming here with the 70s. But I living in the 70s, the 80s. Yeah, man. Because I see I got time, bit nice. Big up yourself, Edward George Philip Siaga same way. Yeah, Michael was a great rivalry, but enough good to Siaga. Siaga do a lot of good for the youth same way. And I say Siaga love sports and love entertainment. Because Siaga was a music producer. And when Siaga retired from politics, Siaga part of the JFF. You understand me? So, as what I say to the people, brother, we are Jamaican, we all are one. And if we unite and live loving, and that God try to show now. And then disaster come about, we call upon Jesus. Yeah, man. When I look at earthquake shake, we call upon Jesus. And Jesus has shown, say, him is the real God. We stop worship, man, brother. We stop worship this man that talk with him, bro God. God come show the real God yesterday. Because yesterday, bro God couldn't save you, you know. You have to button down, you know. You have to stop worship, man, brother. And make man take on a ton idiot. Because man tell us that God make all vaccine. And God now not time to do with it. To do the COVID vaccine. I mean, I speak much about COVID, you know. Can I speak anything about COVID? YouTube channel, the YouTube thing, lock down or something. You know, see it. But I want to say, this vaccine, what them, the spies, what them, for the people, them. You know, see it. God now not have to do with it. The first time vaccine them, that was okay. When we take the joke, when they have bags going to Polo and all them sitting there, then vaccine them okay. But the one nowadays, I don't want to talk about it. Can we talk about it? Call me thing, go take down. So we just rest that aside. I talk about Jamaica, brother. Yes, I am. Because I telling you yesterday morning, you know. So God come talk to you, you know. And make you know the real God, you know. And the real boss, you know. and the real university boss, you know. I even passed through yesterday. I mean, people I say, boy, when they get the full, yes, so Jamaica gonna get the full blunt of the storm. You know, see, so we don't know how back on the south side still, down at St. Elizabeth and all them places. I have no friends at St. Elizabeth. I hope everybody's safe and alright down at St. Elizabeth. I have no friends at Westmoreland same way. I hope everybody's safe and alright around the society. Them places we frequent. But I hope everybody in Jamaica safe and alright. And God just passed through, man. Because the most talk about storm and hurricane in Jamaica was Gilbert. 1988. Man talk about Ivan and all them saying, but 1988 was the most talk about hurricane. Passed through Jamaica, Gilbert. You see about 154 storm and 58 storm back in the days until Gilbert passed through. So because of digital and flow network shut down, I don't know what take place at the length of breadth of Jamaica yesterday. You understand me? Current gone, so I know I'm going to get to watch TV later and watch news. Because I always watch my news on TV, you know. I don't to get CVM in the seat at my home when I get TVG. So I know if I'm going to get to watch TVG and see what's going on. Because I don't current go come back. Because I can't access the internet right now because everything done. So I know what ratings this storm I get, it's a hurricane yesterday. I know what ratings it get compared to Gilbert. But I tell you, man, I have to give thanks to life here. And I who survived this hurricane. And I have to rise up, man, and live up to God, brother. Yes, anytime the cry of the people come up to God, God will show the leaders them, say, boy, yeah, man. When the time come. God passed through. The real God passed through yesterday. I make both God know who the real God is. Yeah, man. I don't preach to nobody, you know, and tell nobody to live them life, you know. You choose your life what to live, you know. I choose my life what I live nowadays, you know. I'm not a perfect man, you know. Just go and trot Babylon and go and show love. Come down, every man on earth is brothers and sisters. According to Adam and Eve's story. That's all God tell people say. Yeah, man, if you love your brother, man, and love your sisters, don't bad mind your brother because of vanity. In a seat. When it's a prime minister, I tell people say, every poor man must have a castle. Jesus will teach us them way there. John the Baptist tell us we be satisfied with the wages and the good and take yourself out of poverty. Because nothing wrong with being rich, you know. But why do you forget richness? Because now every poor man must have a castle. You can live in a one room or one two room bedroom and just one two room house and you just alright and comfortable same way and give thanks to life. Still never kill a brother and sister because you want to build a castle. And the message what the Prime Minister put forward to the people, you know. That's a place I run away, you know. Because look on the wall, look on the Prime Minister wall, when a wall on film house. And all know Bustamante High School. Bustamante High School can't get a proper fencing, can't get a proper wall. I mean, I stop talking about that, you know. Bustamante High School. The school they name after Buster. The first Jamaican Prime Minister and the founder of the Jamaican Labour Party. The name of school after Bustamante. And all know Bustamante High School can't get proper fencing. And look on the wall of the Prime Minister yard. Look on the wall. And you go on Bustamante High School, promise them fencing and know you can't fence the place. I mean, I don't preach politics, but I mean, I preach reality. I mean, I preach on propaganda. When I see on TVJ news, me talk. When Code run on picnic at Bustamante High School, and when Code go up on Bustamante High School, good name have the picnic them SBA agricultural thing. Wanna not talk about them thing there. Them thing is not propaganda, brother. Them thing is reality. So I don't to speak much, you know. I just give thanks to life. I love the Jamaican people them. I don't fight politics, I don't preach politics. That's why I live my life, my nice life in a Michael Manley time, my nice life in a Siaga time, my nice life in a Porsche time, my nice life in a PJ time, Porsche time, and some nice life in a Boost time. But Boost start in foolishness when they bring the nice abatement back on the people them. And PNP continue with that same way too. We take the culture from the people them, the musical culture, entertainment thing from the people them, and poor people. And the lock up dance 2 o'clock during the weekend and 12 o'clock during the week. Foolish is them thing there. That's all me I say. And as a Prime Minister, but in him, bro God. Have the people like some fool and some idiot. Man, no freedom of speech in a country. Again. Yeah, man. They make certain statement what really hunger the heart of God. And God passed through yesterday. I make you know, say, him have a talk. Because you see, man, say, if the government now be right, they will speak out against the government. The people must speak out against the government and you want to prosecute the people. And when people talk, no fun the labor right vex. But God a God. That's all me I say. A God me serve. That's why I go out in the storm yesterday and video me a video. You understand? We don't know fear. A God me serve. And I say, I'm not fear no man. I just burn me fire when me ready. And that me I say right now. We started yesterday, we want to listen. We want to watch it. And now me I finish it. Because after a storm, there must be a calm. The place calm now. I don't know when current will come back. I don't know when the internet will come back, but I'm going to post up everything. So when I see Mr. Better trod earth, yeah, man, I trod earth, you hear me? Every man on earth is my brother. And every woman on earth is my sister. And I love my brother them and I love my sister them. The word is love, you hear me? The greatest music ever come out of Jamaica. Sing by Bob Marley, One Love. Yeah, man. And the same God that me love and worship, the same God Bob Marley love and worship same. But Bob Marley just seem to Selassie and call him Jah. But I see him God out of the Bible. All of Bob Marley inspiration and songs come from the Bible. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So I say God rise Bob Marley and God rise Usain Bolt. Them man two hero I really know. Live for con know. Bob Marley a hero, you know. But they not gonna give me hero. Because I'm a Rasta. Because they don't like Rasta people, you know. They don't use Rasta for them political thing, you know. And them tourism, you know. But they don't like Rasta. But Bob Marley am my hero too. That's to me talk about all the while. Bob Marley am my living hero. No, Bob Marley is a hero, I know. We live to see. He's dead now. But Bob Marley we get hero status. And Usain Bolt they get hero status too. You know, see it? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, they beat them. Bolt, I be, Bob, I be. Yeah, man. And Miss B passed through yesterday. Yeah, man, Miss B passed through. I'm making a no say. Sure. Make you talk on. I just everybody just give me for just start talking now. It's like me free up. I'm making a no say. I say God come talk to me yesterday. So I don't know if you compare Miss B against Mr. G. Gilbert. I wish I'm more vicious. Miss Beryl or Mr. Gilbert. When everything come up, when the internet come up back and light come up back, I will go see what I will go see the devastation what take place by Miss Beryl. More than Miss Beryl, more vicious than than Mr. Gilbert. So I'm going to tune out now. One love, one heart. I just hope everybody at Jamaica safe. I just hope no life no take. Papa Jesus has passed through and making you know who's the real God. I'm making you know from the stop worship, man. Stop make man take you to an idiot and Papa sure. Man trick you to make you go take poison joke. You understand, man? And man take you for some bag of foods, brother. And I get rich off on him because 3 years now, the man can't declare an asset. I hear me a burn fire upon him. I burn fire upon the labor people, you know. I no leader me a burn fire upon you know. Because I have lot of friends who are labor right, who me love. And I always love. Politics can't come between my friends them. Or to no leader and if he resign, or never put up somebody to run for the general election. You understand me? Because it's a man like him take Mali, man. Some things I thought is lately. Like him take Mali. That's all I say. And him have so much power now. Like him have so much power in Jamaica. Can he lose the local government election and he claims he win it. And the first prime minister come out, they claim election when he lose it. Like he won Jamaica. You see who won Jamaica talk yesterday? Who won Jamaica talk yesterday? God won Jamaica. God, Jamaica have Jesus Christ. Jamaica have more church in the world. You know, see it? Yeah, man. Jamaica the most church in the world. All your church, all the pastor man, tricky people, but the people in Jamaica love God. Some of them not got church, but they don't love Jesus Christ. So a God talk yesterday. The real God talk yesterday. Because they know say him and the real God and stop worship, man. Stop worship, boy God. Stop worship, man, brother, and stop killing yourself over a man. A man who just self-egotistic, all about himself, his family, and his friends them. They rob and they rape Jamaica. You have 8 years now. How can you have a prime minister you can't declare an asset for the past 3 years? Eh? Where he get so much money from? He can't declare an asset. Because he love money, man, out. Everything he sell out. And God people are bringing him down. God people they bring him down. Yeah, man, so the real God talk yesterday. That's all me I say. So you watch me. So you see me. Enough people don't like me these last days, you know. Me done telling you, say, no, man. Me prefer walk the street as a madman, you know. And then want a garbage pan, you know. Before me live in a corruption, you know. Okay. Because I not sell out. I'm not selling out. Yeah, man, to a corrupted system. Because this is the most corrupted government me ever come across. And not even a PMP, not even a Michael Manley time, not even a Siaga time. Because I say big up Eddie Siaga and big up Mr. Keith Russell. Yeah, man. Because I enjoy my life in a Eddie Siaga time. And when Keith Russell, a MP, a Falmouth see me, I not lie, I not partial. As a youth. PJ see me, film time, Porsche time see me. Partial in a boost time. But it's a devil that come take your place, brother. So, I'm going to sign off here, man. Sometimes I feel like I'm going to stop talk and just live my life. Who want love me, who want hate me. But I speak the truth, brother. And you see it? No fun to run a call upon God yesterday. I shouldn't bore devil. I shouldn't bore God and I run to shelter. Bore devil shouldn't run to shelter. Bore God. What should I run to? When the real God walked through here yesterday, and I walked through here with full force. Suppose everything will come fully at Jamaica. So, when you start worship, man, here, we don't know God in a destruction time, but God passed through and make you know. After a storm, there must be a calm. So I sign out now. I calmly sign out. Enough cover me cover. Me cover. So I just post them up. Who want to watch them, who want to subscribe, who want to hate me, who want to love me. It's me that. As long as the Most High love and appreciate me. I just Jah works me, I don't know. And continue to do the right to know. Yeah man, so I'm out. I just one love, you hear me? Just one love, I go post this sir. So I'm look at 23 Ultra right now. So you can get some charge. Because I know when current will come back. I'm my power bank. So I want fully charge it. Because when I have video, I have it on the power bank and charge fully. I lock it off now and go on easy. Take a dip in the water and go and build back. When you not hear from me again until about Friday so. Yes. I just want to love you, my Jamaican people. I love Jamaica. I love everybody at Jamaica. Politics can't come between me and nobody at Jamaica. But if you burn, there's a burn fire upon the devil. Jam upon the bow devil. What call himself bow God. Okay. So this is the real God yesterday. Okay. I'm out.